Hello guys, in this video we will see peak Aggro Crab. Minimum system requirements, recommended system requirements. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started. Step identifying the source of system requirements. Content. The first step is to look at the official minimum and recommended system requirements for peak Aggro Crab. This information is usually found on the game store page. Each Steam guide, Epic Games Store, or the developer's official website carefully read. The specifications provided, paying close attention to the distinctions between minimum and recommended settings. Look for details on operating system OS, processor, RAM, graphics card, and storage space. Screenshots or images of the system requirements section can also be helpful to reference later. Step understanding minimum system requirements. Content. Minimum system requirements represent the bare minimum hardware specifications needed to run the game. Meeting only the minimum requirements will likely result in lower graphical settings, lower frame rates, and potentially some performance issues such as lag or stuttering. These settings are designed to allow the game to function, but not necessarily to provide an optimal or enjoyable gaming experience. Understanding these limitations is crucial for managing expectations. Step by understanding recommended system requirements. Content. Recommended system requirements specify the hardware the developers suggest for the best possible gaming experience with peak Aggro Crab. Meeting these specifications ensures smoother gameplay at higher graphical settings and higher frame rates. This often translates to a more visually appealing and responsive game. If your system meets the recommended requirements, you can expect a significant improvement in visual fidelity and overall performance compared to running the game on minimum settings. Step by comparing your system to the requirements. Content. Once you've identified the minimum and recommended requirements, compare them directly to your computer's specifications. Check your system's operating system, processor, to amount of RAM, random access, memory, graphics card to, and its RAM, video RAM, and available hard drive or storage space. Use system information tools available within your operating system, such as system information in Windows, to obtain accurate details about your hardware. Step assessing compatibility and potential upgrades. Content. After comparing your system to the requirements, determine if your computer meets the minimum or recommended specifications. If your system meets the minimum requirements, you can attempt to run the game, but be prepared for potential performance issues. If your system falls short, consider upgrading your hardware components, a graphics card, RAM to meet the minimum or recommended specifications for a better gaming experience. If your system meets the recommended requirements, you can expect optimal performance.